Window. Hurry, 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 hurry.
Along the way we've got some beaches over here with a lot of sand, but in some of the areas you might see rocky parts, like over here. These are volcanic rocks, if I'm not wrong, from millions of years ago. And I'm just standing on one of them. Hopefully there'll be no snakes around here, but with a bit of luck we'll see how we go. Okay, let's go on the pier, guys. Let's check it out. We're waiting for a ferry to Tasmania. It's coming every half an hour. 20 cents a ride.
Okay.
The pier's right there. This is the boat ramp. If you've got a boat, you can just bring it over here from the car park. You park over there. You pay about $5.40 an hour, or about $15 a day, and then you can reverse your car and drop your boat right here and go fishing down Port Phillip Bay. So yeah, alright, let's go and check it out. I guess you guys seen this video before. I've been here before and I've shown you parts of it. It's been quite some time ago. But I'm just passing this way today, so I thought you might see it on my new camera. Okay. Just go to the end of it. It's very windy today. I've got to wash my cap so I don't lose it. Yeah, look how clean the water is. Hey, any sharks in the water? Don't. Melbourne over there. I'll zoom in. There you go. That's where I came from. Melbourne City. Alright, boys and girls. This is a very solid pier made out of metal, some kind of very strong material, so it's not shaky or nothing like that. It's not going to fall apart on me. Like you see, I'm going towards the end of it. You know, they've put the rocks here for one reason, so no one's going to sit on the beach, no one's going to dirty it. So they brought all the rocks from Sydney, they dumped them over here to stop people sitting on the beach. No, just kidding guys. Those rocks are actually natural. They've been put here by a volcano. Let's go down to the ramp. Check out what's happening here. For anyone that lives in the city and doesn't have time to go to the beach, well, come and watch my movies. I'll show you a bit of sceneries from around here. And we're all going to be happy. And here guys, we've got a table for fishermen. When you come back and catch your fish, you can clean up here. As you can see, it's got a little tap here where you can connect your hose from the water, and it's got a little drain so you can drain all the water down. I guess it's a decent size table. You can put a shark here or something like that. Yeah. Walking down here, I'll show you what the place is called. Like I said, this is only one of the first places we're going to see along the way. It's around Brighton. Okay, this is like, yeah, it's called North Road, Brighton. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. So it's all along there. We're going to keep on driving towards Frankston today, Elwood. Some information for fishermen and stuff. Know your boundaries. And we're just about here. They've got some jogging places here. People can run all the way there, ride the bicycles. It's just perfect. And today's about 24 degrees, it's not too hot. I really enjoyed this day to make this movie. Because it's going to be really hot for the next few days. It's going to be about 40, 42, 43 degrees. So alright guys, let's go back to the car and keep on driving. I'll show you more places around here. And here we have like a little cafe at the beach. Next time we'll come inside and have some lunch. So we're going. Yeah, look at these palm trees, guys. You might think I'm in Port Douglas, but no, we are in Melbourne.
Good old Melbourne.
Oh, good old Melbourne in Brighton.
Brighton.
It's bright today. It's very bright.
Please don't tell me you're going to put that on YouTube.
Why not? I'm natural. I'm natural as a bowl of cornflakes.
Aren't they fake?
What is it called? Loopy lips.
Loopy loop.
Now we're back on the road again.
On the road again.
On the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. I'm in Brighton.
I don't know the words.
Now guys, it's a very, very exclusive area. Look at that tennis court.
How does Mike do it? How does it go?
Mike.
Woo!
Woo!